Everybody turn on the videos, please. Today is August 3rd, right? Yeah. Multiple and submultiple angles. Okay. So basically, what is this? Multiple means if you take angle A, multiply 2 or multiply 3 or multiply 5, 2A, 3A, 5A, 3 theta, 10 theta, they are called multiple angles. Submultiple angles means it is like division or multiplying the fraction, rational number, A by 2, A by 3, A by 5, A by 7, like that. These are called submultiple angles. So there are some formulas for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, sin 3 theta, sin 4 theta, or sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, or tan theta by 2, things like that. So we'll derive some of those formulas. First formula, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta.
Yes, sir. So we can use sin of A plus B. Substituting A is equal to B is theta.
Yeah, correct. You simply take sin A plus B and take both A and B as theta in that, we'll get. So sin 2 theta can be written as sin theta plus theta. It is like sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin. You'll get sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta, which is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, very simple. Okay. Okay, especially those are learning for the first time. I have to give some details in the sense that same sin 2 theta can be used in many ways. Basically, whatever angle here, half of that here, half of that here. One is sin, one is cos. So if I want sin 4a, I should be able to write 2 sin 2a cos 2a, because 4a is double of, it's like theta is 2a. Okay. If you want in turn, I can write the sin 2a as 2 sin a cos a into cos 2a. Let us say I want sin a. I can write it as.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I am R. Bharat, sir. Sir, madam is not asking me into room A, ma'am. Room A, sir.
Why? You are A only, na?
Yes, sir. But ma'am assigned me to room B, ma'am.
So okay, it's okay. Leave this room. Go to the meeting. Okay.
But madam is not assigned me, sir.
You send a message now, or you talk to her. Okay.
How, sir?
All right. You leave this breakout room and then ask her. I'm in section A. As simple as it. Sin A, I can write 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2.
Sir, due to network issues, I joined 2 minutes before, so this only you told, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Formula is only sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. In sin A plus B formula, take A as theta, B as theta. We get this. In the place of theta, you can write 2a or 4a or a by 2, anything you can write. Okay. I may use sometime sin 100 theta as 2 sin 50 theta cos 50 theta. I may use it like this.
Hello, Satish, sir.
Yes.
Sir, madam left the rooms.
Okay, I'll give her WhatsApp number. I'll send to you in WhatsApp. You can okay, send a message. Okay.
Yes, yes.
sorry, just I'm doing something here. Okay. Similarly, try to derive cos 2 theta formula. Anyway, no, before cos 2 theta, I want to write one more formula.
Cos 2 theta, sir.
No, I want to tell something else. Okay, listen. We'll come across this many times. Something like cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta, so on. Cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. That is, you will find a lot of angles. You may find 5 by 7 here, 2 pi by 7, 4 pi by 7, 8 pi by 7, something.
Sir,
The angle is like one of the previous angle. Yeah. Not just geometric progression with common ratio 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Every angle is double of the previous angle.
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
Then, before writing the formula, first I'll explain. You multiply with 1 sin theta and a lot of 2's. What is 2 into sin theta into cos theta? What will happen to that?
Sir,
Sin 2
sir.
Sin 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta.
What will happen to this 2, this sin 2 theta and this cos 2 theta?
Sin 4 theta.
Sin 2 theta.
Okay.
Yeah. And this 2 and sin 4 theta and
Sin
this
8
cos
theta.
4.
Sin 8
Sin 8 theta.
theta.
So you'll be repeatedly using sin 2 theta formula. Okay. So finally, what is the answer you will get? Just like that. Is the sine of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. Okay. Let me prove this. I'll write the proof in a short way. I explained one way, but what I'm going to write the proof is slightly different. We know sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. I want to rearrange this formula as cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta by 2 sin theta. Just one. Yeah. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. I wrote this. I start with ellipsis. Each one of them I replace with this. So this cos theta I can write sin 2 theta by 2 sin theta. This I can write sin 4 theta by 2 sin 2 theta. This cos 4 theta I can write sin 8 theta by 2 sin 4 theta. This is sin double of this 2 power n theta by 2 sin 2 power n minus 1 theta. See what I'm doing here? Cos theta, I made a new formula as sin 2 theta by 2 sin theta. That means double of this here, 2 times sin of the same angle. So for this cos theta, I can use as it is. But for this, wherever theta is there, I have to write 2 theta. That's how I got this. For this, wherever theta is there, I have to write 4 theta. That's how I got this. For this, wherever theta is there, I have to write 2 power n minus 1 into theta. That is this. Now you can see this sin 2 theta, this sin 2 theta, same, they'll cancel. Sin 4 theta cancel, sin 8 theta. And this and what is here will cancel. Then we'll be left with the one numerator and last numerator plus denominator, lot of 2's. So that is sin of 2 power n theta. Here 2 into 2 into n times is 2 power n sin theta. Here we understood the proof?
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Later we'll do a lot of questions using this formula.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, there in the numerator sine 2 theta and the denominator only sine 2 theta is getting cancelled and all
One
the
2 is
twos are
left.
left.
Yeah, all the 2's are left in the den. That's why I wrote 2 power n in the denominator finally.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, please.
same like the sine for sine theta, sine 2 theta also this formula.
What? No, sine theta into sine 2 theta to sine 4 into sine 8 theta, like that? No, there is no
Yes,
formula.
sir.
No, because if you multiply with one cos also, opposite formula doesn't proceed further. Okay? Only for cos. Alright? Am I raising this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Everybody please turn on your videos. Please respond. Anytime you have a doubt, feel free to ask. Not there are only 3-4 people ask every time. Others also, if they have doubt, they should ask. Maybe if they don't have doubt, it's okay, but still. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1.
1 minus 2.
1 minus 2 sin square theta. All these three formulas are important. Depending on the situation, we use it.
Sir, we can use 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta also, no, sir?
Yeah, we'll write that separately. That's purpose I did not write. Okay, now similarly take cos a plus b. Cos 2 theta you can write cos theta plus theta. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin. You will get cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta, which is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, just take regular compound angle formula and take both a and b as theta. Now you can write cos square as 1 minus sin square theta, or you can write sin square as 1 minus cos. You will get cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. So here we'll get 1 minus 2 sin 2 theta, here we'll get 2 cos square theta minus. That's how we get other formulas. So if you want complete in terms of cos, this is a formula. If you want complete in terms of sin, this is a formula. We use this formula in different other ways very frequently. For example, you bring this here. Very regularly, we'll be writing 1 plus cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta in many places. Or 1 minus cos 2 theta. You will be writing 2 sin square theta. Sometimes you may have 1 plus cos theta. You may write 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. I may write this also as 1 plus cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2. I may write this as 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. Whatever is angle here, half of that here, basically. Like that you have to remember. And I can divide with 2 and apply square root. Cos theta is equal to plus square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Even though this and this are same, it's good to know, and it is not plus, I did not write purposely plus or minus, it's not both. Sometimes it is this, sometimes it is this.
Depending upon quadrants, it
Yeah. Sin theta is plus root 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, everybody clear all this thing?
yes, sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know, root of something is always positive, right?
Yes, sir.
When these two will be equal, anybody want to tell? Which quadrant?
So, fourth quadrant, sir. Fourth and first quadrant.
First and fourth quadrant. And when these two will be equal?
Second and third quadrant, sir.
Because the root of something is positive, but it's a minus negative. So whenever cos is negative, there. If I take these two,
First and second.
First and second quadrant.
yeah, sin theta should be positive. For these two, sin theta should be negative. Means third and
Third and fourth quadrant.
yes.
Sir? Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, you said that we need to complete exercise 60, you know, sir.
Yeah.
After the completion of 60, what we should do, sir? Next assignment.
If you know multiple submultiple angles, so do this one. And similarly, I think exercise 6D may be based on multiple submultiple angles. You can do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can I erase this whole thing? What is there on the board?
Yes, sir, you can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sin 2 theta we have seen, cos 2 theta we have seen. So tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. I don't have to take time to prove it. Tan 2 theta, you can write tan theta plus theta, and tan a plus b formula, if you use it, will come tan theta plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. You will get that. But we also have two more formulas for sine in terms of tan. Sin 2 theta will be 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta will be 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
Sir, by using a right angle, we
Yeah, we can use right angle triangle and prove it, or themselves alone. That is, if you look at this question alone, you may not even look at this formula. You can derive it. Just start from RHS. Let us say 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta you can write sin theta by cos theta. This you can write sin theta by cos theta whole square. You will get 2 into sin theta into cos theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. cos square plus sin square is 1 and 2 into sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta formula. So you will get sin 2 theta. Similarly, you can start from RHS here and then write tan as sin by cos, you will get cos theta. I'm not writing how cos theta came. You can do it, not a problem.
Sir, or we can do another way. Actual 2 sin theta and cos theta is there, no, sir. We can multiply both numerator and denominator by cos theta and cos theta.
It's okay, no problem. Okay, we have seen sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. Sin 3 theta. Formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay.
Sir, we can use sin of a plus b plus c where a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 3 theta.
Yeah, we can use that, or I can write sin theta plus 2 theta and use sin a plus b formula also I can use. It will be sin theta cos 2 theta plus cos theta sin 2 theta. Sin theta into cos 2 theta has 3 formulas, but I will choose to write 1 minus 2 sin square theta because I want a answer in terms of sin. Cos sin 2 theta, I don't have an option. I don't have any choice. Only one formula. 2 sin theta cos theta. But in the next step, this cos into this cos, I can write 1 minus sin. So I will get sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. 2 sin theta into that cos square, I can write 1 minus sin. Then I multiply and expand, I will get the formula. This is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, basically I'm just stating the formulas and proving the formulas. Some people may find it too many formulas in trigonometry. Yes, trigonometry is full of formulas only. And some questions, if you do in one formula, it may come easy. If you do in another formula, it may become a little lengthy. With experience, with practice and thinking about it, you have to develop. There's no short way of doing it. And some people say, I'm not able to remember formulas. There are a lot of questions where you are using this formula repeatedly, they'll just become like a plus b whole square, it become a very standard formula for you. You don't even have to separately by heart it. Like that, all these formulas will be using so many times, even in differentiation, later on trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometry, other chapters also. So we'll be using these formulas just like that. Okay. So because we use many times at the time, don't, but the beginning it appears to be little difficult. Okay, cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta.
Sir,
Yes, please.
both is not visible, sir.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, I want to write the sin 3 theta formula in another way also. Okay. Sometimes it is required. I'll bring this one here, sin 3 theta divided 4. I can write, maybe I can write it as a note. Sin cube theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. What is the use of this? Where we use this is whenever we don't want cube, we want to remove the cube. For example, in physics, all of you are learning a little bit of integration also, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to integrate this, it's difficult. But integrating this is easy because sin theta integral is minus cos theta. Sin 3 theta integral is minus cos 3 theta by 3.
Yes, sir.
So like that we'll be using in integration. Or sometimes I may have to find sin cube theta plus sin cube 120 plus theta plus sin cube some 240 plus theta. The cubes I don't like them. So if I want to remove the cubes, I can use this. Okay. So same formula rearrange, we use it sometimes. Okay, cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, in the same way, just for practice only we are writing the proof. Nobody asked me in the exam, but it has some idea. This 3 theta I can write theta plus 2 theta cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So I'll get cos theta cos 2 theta minus sin theta sin 2 theta. I want everything in terms of cos. So better to write this cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin 2 theta no option. I have to write 2 sin theta cos theta. But in the next step, this sin square I can write 1 minus cos square. So you will get 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. This is 2 cos theta into the sin square. I can write 1 minus cos square theta. If I open this and add 2 cos cube theta plus 2 cos cube theta, 4 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta is minus 3 cos theta. Everybody completed sixth one copying?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this also I have to write as a small note. I can bring this cos b cos theta this side and divide. I'll be able to write cos cube theta equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta by 4. Okay, tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. I prefer this by using tan a plus b plus c formula where take a equal to b equal to c equal to theta. So tan 3 theta.
So that one is tan cube theta, sir. Second
this is
term
tan
of the tan. Okay, sir.
This is tan cube. Tan 3 theta I can write tan theta plus theta plus theta. Tan a plus b plus c formula we have. We'll get tan theta plus tan theta plus tan theta minus tan theta into tan theta into tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta minus tan theta into tan theta minus tan theta into tan theta. Tan a plus b plus c formula, tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c by 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan. This is 3 tan theta, that is tan cube theta, this is tan square tan square tan square 3 times, so get 3 tan square theta. Yes.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cos theta into cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Okay, how will we prove this? Cos A minus B into cos A plus B. What is the formula?
Sir, cos square A minus sin square B, sir.
Yes, another formula?
Cos square B minus sin square A.
Yeah, so I'm going to use the second one, cos square B, which is cos square theta minus sin square 60. So I'll look at cos theta into cos square theta into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I take this inside and take LCM, I'll get 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 4. And that is 1 by 4 times, this is directly cos 3 theta formula.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in what cases we will use this formula, sir?
Yeah, we'll do questions. Now we are only deriving formulas. For example, they can ask what is cos 10 degree into cos 50 degrees into cos 70 degrees. Show that it is root 3 by 8. Let us do the question.
Okay, sir.
Theta is 10 degrees, 60 minus theta is 50, 60 plus theta is 70. So answer should be 1 by 4 cos 30. 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. When they give this question, we use this as a formula. Okay, similarly, we have sin theta into sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. You can do same way, sin square A minus sin square. We can do. Sin A minus B into sin A plus B sin square A minus sin square B. We'll get sin square 60 minus sin square theta. That is sin theta into this is 3 by 4 minus sin square theta. So simplify, I'll get 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by 4. That is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Anyone want to guess what will be the similar formula in terms of tan?
Sir, tan 3 theta?
Yes.
Cot 3 theta.
Tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta is tan 3 theta. 1 by 4 will not come.
Yes, sir.
I can expand this and prove it or divide the previous two results. So I can write 11 is equal to 10 by 9. That is the explanation. Okay, one should not think mathematical how 11 equal to 10 by 9. I mean 11th result comes by 10th result by 9th result. Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, due to negative features, I didn't see it formula, sir. What is it about cot 3 theta?
I don't know, but later on somebody will send notes. You can see this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, you wrote 11th one is equal to 10 by 9.
Yes. The 11th result comes by 10th result by 9th result.
Oh, okay, sir. 10 by 9, I thought numbers. Sorry.
I just joking about it. He joined after it. Okay.
Sir, these formulas will be work with the 60 degrees only, sir.
Yeah, that means when it is 120 and 240 also, they can work, but sometimes plus tan 3 theta or minus tan 3 theta. So I don't want to state them as formulas. Whenever it is 120, just check it whether it's coming or
Special
not.
case.
240.
Special case, no, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, according to the quadrant, the minus sign comes, no, sir, in the left hand side.
We may not come because we have square here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But sometimes they may give theta minus 60, theta plus 60. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it is as it is 60 or 120, 240, everything is same. You get same formula because square is there. Here also same. But what if they give sin cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus 60 to theta plus 60? You may get a minus because minus is coming from. So yes, that is the reason I'm telling. It's some people learn some things before. It's nothing wrong. Okay. As I know, sometimes I'm not planning to comment on anything, but if you just state the formulas and do some questions, it's nothing wrong. It's nice. But when a formula is properly stated with the proper proof, if some other question is similar to that, you can derive at the instant. When you forget also, you can derive. Otherwise, you have to by heart the formula, right? For example, somebody asks, if it is 120, if it is 240, what to do? I don't have to give them as a long list of formulas. Okay. If you have some in your mind, some idea about this formula, whether 60 or 120, there is no difference, right? Because you get sin square 120, sin 120 is also root 3 by 2. If it is 240 also, that only. Or if I just reverse this, okay, what to do? It is not at all difficult. So that's the reason to have some idea about the proof. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes in a matter to complete the syllabus, we may just state the formulas and go. We don't want to do it. In essence, generally we teach quite thoroughly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Or another option is those who learnt something before, we have to keep them in separate section, and for them don't teach trigonometry at all. Directly go to next chapter because they learnt trigonometry. But our experience have been, especially those who have done some kind of foundation or technical syllabus and all, I'm not against any one of them. In that, few students, they, even though the proofs were not taught, they understand and they do well. But lot of students, we see in the beginning, first 1 or 2 chapters they do well, but later on they don't do well. Okay. It is because they learned something before, the beginning chapters may appear easier. All right. But I always, I'm not against anything. As I said, I always seen people without any background, foundation and all getting rank, or somebody has taken foundation, they got rank. Somebody studied techno syllabus, they got rank. Somebody studied techno syllabus or CBA, they did not get rank. I have seen all kinds of people. Okay. It is not about all that. My personal opinion is 2 years is quite sufficient. If you learn, you can learn everything from the beginning and go all the way up to IIT level.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but if somebody feels bored that they learned these things, you just practice those questions. You can take some material and start practicing. Okay, if you already know this. Fine. Previous one is 11th, right? Now I have to discuss the 12th one. I have different formulas in mind at this point. Anyway, let me just state one method. There is one method called CS method. What is the CS method? Sometimes they'll give you a question. I'm not stating like a formula. I want to just describe it, but you can write something. Let us say they gave you cos alpha into cos beta into cos gamma into cos delta. Okay. Alpha, beta, and something. Some cos C, something like that. Maybe this is pi by 7, this is 3 pi by 7, this is 5 pi by 7, this is 7 pi by 7, this is 9 pi by 7, something. They'll ask you to, and we don't know those values. Cos pi by 7, we don't even know. It's not one of the known values. But they will ask us to simplify this. So there are two, three ways. Whenever they give, for example, if let's say they give cos 10 degrees into cos 20 degrees into cos 40 degrees into cos 60 into cos 80 into cos 160, something like this. These kind of questions, there are different ways to tackle. One is This angle is double of this. 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 We have a formula for it, right?
Yes, sir. Cos 2 theta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Another way is there. If this is 20, this is 60 minus 20, this is 60 plus 20. I can use 1 by 4 cos 3 theta, right?
Yes, sir.
And they may give one more. I can use, this may be 10, okay? This is 180 minus 20, it may be 20, okay? Cos 20. I may be able to do something else, okay? There is
Sir,
also
what
one
did you
more.
say for second one, sir? 10 minus something you told.
This is 20. This is 60 minus 20. This is 60 plus 20. Use cos theta into cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 cos 60.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let us take only this much. Okay. The question is only this. Cos 20 to cos 40 to cos 80. One method is theta 60 minus theta 60 plus theta. Another method is this is double of this, this is double of this. So use the formula. I mentioned one. Even if you don't remember formula, multiply sin 20 divided sin 20, repeatedly use sin 2 theta formula 3 times. Right? But one more method is we call this as C. Same thing you take S, but with all sign. You take sin 20, sin 40, sin 80. It is not there in the question, but you take it. You multiply these two, CS. You will get sin 20 into cos 20, sin 40 into cos 40, sin 80 into cos 80. Multiply with 2, divide with 2, multiply with 2, divide with 2, multiply with 2, divide with 2. What is 2 sin 20 cos 20? What will happen?
Sin 40 degrees, sir.
This will become sin 80 and this will become sin
160.
160. So question is only about this. In the question, this is not at all mentioned. But I have taken this. I multiplied this. But my aim is to find C value, not S value. So what I got here is 1 by 8 into sin 40 into sin 80 into sin 160. But sin 160 is the same as sin 20?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can write 180 minus 20 sin 20. So sin 20, sin 40, sin 80. See, S is also sin 20, sin 40, sin 80. So this and this got cancelled. I got C is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. You see, even though in the beginning question may appear difficult, we brought C. Again at the end, we brought S, some new things. Again, finally it came in terms of that, we cancelled that. So it just, it does not matter at all, but it helped us to solve the question easily, right?
Yes,
This
sir,
way
sir.
of doing is called CS method. Okay. I'm sure in your chemistry you will have some kind of reaction. You may add some compound. It is there in input, but it will also come in the output also, same compound. But it helps us to do some process, maybe like catalyst or something like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't participate in the reaction as such. It is there in the input. It also comes as output, but in between it helps the process. So like that, this is. So I'm only stating the method. If you have C is equal to something, you have to take let S is equal to sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, sin delta, sin E. When you multiply C into S, you will get cos alpha, sin alpha, cos beta, sin beta, cos gamma, sin gamma. You don't have to write E if you want, and cos delta, sin delta. How many are there? Doesn't matter. 4 things, 5 things, 10 things. Multiply 2, divide 2. This is sin 2 alpha, sin 2 beta, sin 2 gamma, sin 2 delta. You'll get 1 by 2 power 4 into sin 2 alpha into sin 2 beta into sin 2 gamma into sin 2 delta. This may not be directly S, but using some manipulation, okay, you may be able to prove this and S are same. If you prove that, you will get C equal to 1 by 2 power 4. Sometimes you may get minus also, depending on the situation. My point is, in all questions, CS method will not work. But if they give all cos, you take all sin and multiply and use sin to theta formula. Somehow, if we can prove these things is equal to these things in some order or the other, we'll be able to cancel.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, is
Sir,
this
down
formula
1
works for
by
all
2 to
angles,
the
sir?
power.
1 by 2 power 4, it may be plus or minus, because sometimes this may not cancel with this. I may get a minus also. This is not a complete formula. It is just to give you a, later when you do questions, it will be more clear. It just gives an idea how are we going to approach this question. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm erasing this just to give you an idea only.
Sir, sine. Oh, sir,
Yes,
sine 2 alpha. We got no sir. 1/24 into.
Yeah, sine 2 alpha may be equal to sine beta. Sine 2 gamma may be equal to sine alpha, something like that. They will rearrange and they may be.
Okay.
Okay, this is 12th one, just now I done. Okay, one or two formulas I forgot in between, not to tell. One is cot 2a. Just state the formula only. Is cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. And when I mentioned tan 3a, I should also mention cot 3a. It will come same as tan 3a. 3 cot a. 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cot square a. And tan NA, I want to state one formula. We may not use it in first year so much, we may use in second year. But in complex numbers, we use complex numbers to derive this. Okay. If you want tan 3, 4a, 5a, 6a, 10a, anything, you can 100a also, we can do it. It is NC1 tan a minus n. Yes, please.
That is related to factorial, sir.
Yeah, it related to factorial and
That means n factorial by n minus r whole factorial, not
Yes.
factorial.
That one is correct. This is tan cube a plus NC5 tan power 5a minus, it will go on forever, okay, till we get the last one. This will be NC0 minus NC2 tan square a plus NC4 tan power 4a minus NC6 tan power 6a. So, okay.
Sir,
NC1 once means what?
Yeah. What is this
SC?
NC1, NC2, NC3? We'll discuss in second year in the binomial theorem chapter, permutation combination chapter. The proof we'll study in permutation combinations. But NC0 means 1. NC1 means n into n minus 1 by 1. Sorry, n by 1. NC1 means n only. NC2 means n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2.
Okay, sir. Like that. Means in
NC3.
binomial theorem you gave no.
Yeah,
you
n
gave
into n minus 1 into n
binomial.
minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. Yeah, somebody preparing for KVPY. I sent few videos on binomial theorem. One is about factorial, one is about NCR, one is a little bit of binomial theorem, one or two lectures on permutation combinations.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, 0 factorial is equal to 1 only, sir.
Yeah, we consider like this. Okay. Anybody watched the videos that I sent based on factorial and NCR? No. If somebody planning to apply for KVPY, once offline classes start, if I want to teach something about KVPY, I may not be able to teach because in the evening you have to stay extra. And if I want to send a video link, day scholars can see and hostels cannot see. All these issues are there. Okay. So last year I gave 1 or 2 lectures on permutation combinations. That video links I sent. So those who don't know much about permutation combinations and for KVPY it is there. You can listen to that. I sent one playlist link, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you sent.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So at least in the weekend you may be busy with the exam, but at least some people who learned trigonometry well before and all, they have a lot of time. And if you are applying for KVPY, you can watch those videos and learn the topics that you don't know. Yeah, so 15th one, if somebody doesn't understand, don't worry, just state it, we'll see later. What is your next period, 12 to 1? Which subject?
Mother part.
Maths, sir.
Maths 1B, sir.
1B, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Maths.
Yeah, some people call Omdar sir, some people call Patnaik sir, some people call Omdar Patnaik sir. We generally just normally when we speak to each other, we just say Patnaik sir only. It's okay. No problem. Okay, today 12 p.m. CBSE results will come, it seems.
Yes, sir. But many of us are not concerned about it, sir. Anyway, we'll like that way.
One thing is we don't have to miss a class for seeing the results. First thing. Second thing is generally at that time lot of people will be on the server. Servers are down many times.
Server
For example,
breakdown can happen.
yeah. So better is after many hours, 10-15 hours, you peacefully
Can
can.
happen for NEET 2020 results, sir, for my brother.
Okay.
Server break.
Generally, when you have to apply for anything, okay, JEE Mains, advanced application, we always say no, apply in the first few days. Okay. So it is for the result, you know, you have to keep on waiting there at the computer, servers down, some problem will come. You can watch little later. But our curiosity, tension will be there. But the CBSE result is based on your what do you call that, internal exams and that only, na?
Yes, sir. Internal
Yes, sir.
exams.
But for
What-
ICSE, before
Pre-board, that to
pre-final
online,
exams.
online exams. Pre-board, that to online exams.
Okay.
Sir, pre-boards were offline also.
Okay. Actually, many government colleges, government schools did not run that properly. Private schools means at least some schools done online. So, if considering all over India, it is, you know, I don't think they taught in government schools even 2-3 months.
In the 10th class, we don't know what we studied also.
Okay. I think for some people it doesn't matter offline or online. I think classes went well. It depends on the situation. Okay, I have to go to another class. We'll continue tomorrow. Please.